He's a singer, dancer, belter, complete performer na kukumpleto na rin sa gabi nyo. Muli niyo tayong papahangayin sa interpretasyon ng kanyang kanta na inareglo pa ng Ace Musical Director na si Sir Homer Flores. This is his one moment in time from Team Sarah. Let's give it up for Darren! Wow! Darren! The home resorts world goes crazy!
Thank you po!
Great job, brother! Great job! Coach Leia, you have this smile on your face. Anong masasabi mo sa performance ni Darren?
Oh my gosh, the word phenomenal comes. The word phenomenal is the only word I can think of for you right now. That trip from Calgary to the Philippines was absolutely worth it for all of us watching you go from strength to strength. It was. You really took advantage of this moment, and your family had better be so proud of you. You were amazing. That was amazing.
In fact, naiiyak si Daddy ngayon, right there.
Where's Daddy? Where's
Napapaluha
Daddy
ngayon
over
si
there?
Daddy, nakaupo doon si Daddy.
Oh.
At ang napatayo pa, right after your performance, syempre, your very own Coach Sarah.
Hello po. Thank you po, Coach.
Darren! Naku naman, with that kind of performance, ito parang pang grand finals na talaga ito. Talagang you really seized that moment. At naniniwala ko na forever mong yayakapin ang stage na tutungtungan mo. Every stage na tutungtungan mo. Talagang handang-handa ka na, Darren.
Thank you po, Coach.
At alam namin kung gaano ka na kagaling na performer, singer, dancer, at nasa iyo din ang good looks. Total package ka na,
Thank you po.
pero Darren, ramdam na ram ko that you are a good boy. You have this pure heart.
Thank you po.
At alam mo naman ang batang may talento at mabait na bata, binibless talaga ng Diyos. So, congratulations,
po.
Darren. We love you!
Thank you po.
Thank you po. Darren, great job, bro.
Thank you po.